Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about how to organize your music. You'll see I did a video 10 years ago on how to organize your CDs. And now you can see that that box is completely empty, along with all the other ones that were in that video. You see, over the years, music has changed, and how many places do you need to have in order to hear your music? In my small space, I have now a Google Home. It has every genre that I could ever imagine. Prior to that, I had my iPod. And prior to that, I could use on my phone free services like Django, Spotify. What I did quite a few years ago is I took all my CDs and I downloaded them onto my computer. Then they went onto the iPod. The next step is that I have taken that and downloaded it onto a USB stick. That's how I hear music in my car. There's thousands of songs on that USB stick. I'll never repeat and go through the cycle, probably for months and months. So really, what do you need in order to get the most out of hearing the music that you love? Some people like to have a huge stereo system. Some people have it coming through their TV. Some have Alexa or Google. Some like to listen to it on their phone. And I know some people that have gone back to LPs, vinyl. They've set themselves back up from when we were teenagers, and that was the big thing. Whatever it is, you decide what works for you and pick one method. You really only need that one method. So for me, all my CDs now have gone to donation. While I was in quarantine, I made the plunge and said, that's it, I don't need them anymore. And I've got everything that I need right here, simple, minimalistic, and music at my fingertips. Pick one method and use it. Hey, leave your comments below after you read the article, and if you need any help with organizing your music, by all means, check out GettingItTogether.ca and fire off an email to me. Share the love by sharing this link.